Union 814.
870 Bridge IC. Additionally, when you're ready to land later, I have a Bridge LZ ready for you.
Keep your movement. 3.
Lost visual.
2. Keep your movement. 1 and hold your left. 10 feet. Ground in 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Making his way to the victim. Disconnecting.
Can we disconnect, Johnny?
Yeah, go ahead and disconnect.
Disconnecting.
CH-70, we're going to do a double pick, and we'll insert our rescuer and the victim to the LZ, and then we'll come in for a landing once they've walked away.
Copy double pick. Rescuer station first.
2, 1, and hold. Hold your hover. Hold your movement. Straight above you, Dr. Hook. Hold your hover. Taking the load in 3, 2, 1. Load is on.
We're good. Go to it.
All right. Start your forward.
Americom, ROIC.
ROIC.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
Handle drafted in the gallon.
Scan firm, no need for.
All right.
Start coming down. There you go. Just keep this line. There you go. Keep your forward. Keep your 2, 1, and hold your forward. Good job. 10 feet. Ground in 3, 2, 1. Ground. Disconnecting.
Monterey Bridge IC.
Safety on the ground.
Hook is stowed.
Hook stowed.